this episode of Aviation This Week, SkyAlyne expands team for Future Aircrew Training bid, then NAV Canada releases July traffic figures, and GTAA reduces greenhouse gas emissions by 60%. SkyAlyne Canada, a partnership of CAE and KF Aerospace, on August 19th expanded its team as part of the bid to win the contract for RCAF's Future Aircrew Training program, expected to be awarded in 2023. SkyAlyne is one of 4 qualified suppliers bidding for the contract, along with Babcock Canada, Leonardo Canada, and Lockheed Martin Canada. SkyAlyne added 6 Canadian companies to its team, including Atco Frontech, Blue Drop Training and Simulation, Canadian Base Operators, Canadian Helicopters, Serco Canada, and PAL Aerospace. Using the tagline "Built for Canadians for Canadians," the expanded SkyAlyne team collectively employs more than 14,000 Canadians and operates in every region of the country. SkyAlyne's parent companies currently deliver all phases of pilot training for the RCAF through the NATO Flying Training in Canada program based in Moose Jaw and Cold Lake, as well as the Contracted Flying Training and Support program based in Southport. NAV Canada on August 17th published aircraft traffic figures for the month of July, as measured in weighted charging units for its en route, terminal, and oceanic air navigation services. The daily average of overall aircraft traffic in July decreased by an average of 67.6% when compared to July 2019. This includes a 41.1% decrease in the daily average of domestic charging units, which dropped from 7,428 in July 2019 to 4,378 in July 2020. International traffic daily average originating out of Canada dropped by 79.3% from a daily average of 536 to 111 year over year. The daily average of transborder traffic into the U.S. saw the largest drop from 1,542 to just 217 charging units. Looking at some of Canada's largest airports, comparing July 2020 average daily movements to those in July 2019, Vancouver YVR movements decreased by 64% to 390. Calgary YYC decreased by 61% to 268. Toronto YYZ by 79% to 319. And Montreal YUL by 72% to 200. Toronto Pearson operator Greater Toronto Airports Authority, GTAA, was recognized for its efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions with a 2020 Environmental Achievement Award from Airport Council International North America. In 2009, GTAA developed a sustainability strategy with the goal of reducing greenhouse gas emissions by 20% by 2020, using a 2006 baseline. As of the end of 2019, GTAA had actually reduced Scope 1 and 2 emissions by almost 60%, with around 30% of those reductions coming from GTAA operational changes and programs, and the other 30% attributed to cleaning Ontario's power supply. Some of the operational initiatives undertaken to achieve this mark include providing preconditioned air and ground power to aircraft to prevent the use of jet fuel while parked at the gate, installing 80 chargers airside for use by electric baggage tugs and other service vehicles, and introducing 2 electric shuttle buses for passengers in 2019, with plans to add 3 more.